मोपाच्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानतळाचे नाव सर्गेस्त मनोहर पर्रिकाराच्या नावावेल्यान दिला. GMR कंपनी मनोहर आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानतळ अशें नाव वापरचे सोडून गोवा इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्ट अशें नाव वापरता. हो सर्गेस्त मनोहर पर्रिकाराचो अपमान अशें म्हणून तृणमूल काँग्रेसीच्या त्राजंती मेलून तिडक उक्तायली. जाल्यार मंत्र्यान आनी खासा करून सरकारी अधिकाऱ्यांनी खऱ्या नावाचो सक्तीन वापर करचो अशी मागणी तृणमूल काँग्रेसीन ह्या वेळार केल्या.
Airport, which has been named after late Manohar Parrikar. The GMR company that is running the airport very seldom may be using it, but even recently in a press note, they call it as the new Goa International Airport. Now this is a great insult. Whatever may be our differences, I may have deferred that the name should not be after. But once it is named after a person, and especially after late Manohar Parrikar, that name has to be used. It's a great insult, and I believe that the government should bring this to the notice of GMR and direct them that the name has to be used, which has been approved and officially named by the union government. But here I would like to bring one thing to your notice, to the notice of the people. Let us take Goa Medical College. It is actually Rajiv Gandhi Goa Medical College. Even the ministers do not call it by that name. You come to my neighborhood in Pede, everybody knows it as Pede, the ministers call it as Pede, the government officers call it as Pede, when actually it is named after Bandodkar Stadium. Go to Fatwarda, it is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Fatwarda Stadium. Where does the ministers and our government officials? I think it is high time, this is an eye-opener of Goa, that the government officers and the ministers should use the name that has been named by the government.